Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to another video. It's Golitech, and today we want to see how we can install Metasploitable on VirtualBox or virtual machine. So something that you really have a vulnerable system that you can attack, that you can scan and do really practical stuff. So basically it's a intentionally vulnerable Linux, as it is written here, and then we can install it on a VirtualBox or virtual machine, so we can play with it, we can try to hack it, and we can scan it and find the problems. And yeah, so let's get started. So you should download it here, and then there will be a zip file, and you should unzip that file. I already did that, so it's here. I already did that. And then yeah, that's all. So I will just put this link in the caption of this video, then you can download it as well. And then yeah, let's get started. So you come to VirtualBox here, and then you click on new, and then you just test Metasploitable or something like that, and the type is Linux, and maybe Ubuntu 64 is okay. So then we will click next. So this is the initial one, so 1 GB is enough. And then here, so we click on use an existing virtual hard disk file. So after that we come here, and then mine is here. So just take care. So you should use the VMDK extension file. So probably there are some more files in the zip file, but you should take them as Metasploitable.vmdk. And if it's not here, so in this window, so you can just click and add, and then bring it here. So you just add it here and then browse a file. So mine is already here. I will choose Metasploitable.vmdk. Again, I emphasize that, so just care about it, and then choose, and then create. So here is my machine, and then I try to install and set it up. So I click on start here, and then this window opens here. So it takes a little bit time, but it's so easy to have it. Yeah, so that's all. So the machine is up, and here we can say MSF admin, and also the password is MSF admin. So you can see here, yeah, so the machine is up, and now you can use the file, use the IP, and yeah, try to scan it, to hack it, and whatever you want. So I hope you enjoy that. So try that. So it's really practical, and yeah, you will enjoy that. So have fun. See you next time.